Diaper Pad Diaper Change Mat with Head Cushion by Diaper is one of the best baby diaper changing kits products. The reasons you select the manufacturer's diaper changing pad. More waterproof. From surface to inside, a full range of waterproof performance makes it more practical and durable than others. More portable. The manufacturer's diaper clutch is one-hand operation design with Velcro and detachable handle, easy to use, and portable for you to take anywhere. Larger area. The diaper mat is large enough for your babies, and has 3 pockets, large capacity for you to take your things. Better protect your baby. Diaper diaper changing pad with cushion inside prevent injuries caused by contact with the baby's head and hard objects. And avoid contacting with public facilities directly to ensure the health and safety of your baby. Specifications. Weight, 210 g. Product size, 61 cm by 35 cm by 2 cm. Package size, 26 cm by 36 cm by 3 cm. Material. Surface, TPE snow bottom cloth, lining, 210D nylon cloth. Great gift. This diaper changing pad is beautiful and practical, a great gift for parents who have babies. Especially for mothers, and the manufacturer believe that parents will love it. Guarantee. The manufacturer offer 90 days warranty. If you have any questions about the manufacturer's product or any quality problems, please contact them and the manufacturer will refund your money back. Travel changing pad for changing anywhere. This baby diaper pad is collapsible with detachable handle, can be suspended in strollers as well as handheld. Sealed with Velcro design, easy to use, convenient for mothers with baby in arms. It is the essential supplies for both outside and home. More waterproof, the lining is made of quality nylon cloth, the surface material is TPE snow bottom cloth, which is waterproof and wipeable. Full range of waterproof performance makes it more practical and durable than others. Large capacity, the diaper clutch with 3 pockets, an external zipper pocket, a mesh pocket inside and an open pocket, can put mobile phones, baby creams, keys, diapers, tissues, and baby gadgets inside. Great gift for expectant mother or father. When the baby goes out, often have to change diapers to the baby, moms often worry that there is no clean place for the baby lying. With this diaper pad is convenient, effective to keep your baby away from the pollution of public places. Also, the diaper change pad has a head cushion which could protect the child's head. No risk purchase. The manufacturer are confident that you'll love this portable diaper changing pad, but if you are not satisfied, just please directly contact them for a full refund or free replacement. Have a try, and you'll definitely like it.